Okay, finishing off the test then. Which segment's height in the picture there is the height of the pyramid? The height goes from the vertex, which is up at the top of the picture there, the tippy top of the pyramid, and that's the point G, and it goes down and forms a right angle with the base, that's the point P, so your answer there is segment GP. This slant height comes down the side of a lateral face. Remember, it's like the slow ant going up the side of the pyramid, slant. And so that's segment GM. Okay, name the base. The base is the hexagon at the bottom, so it is hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. You don't have to say hexagon, but that's what it is. Okay, now we are given that on number 16 that AB is 10. Now if we find AB is this base edge down here. Let's highlight him. That's AB, and he's 10. And I've also redrawn, there's the 10 up there in one of those central angle triangle drawings. The measure of the central angle here is 360 divided by the number of sides 6 is 60. So that means that when this thing is drawn, it splits up into a pair of 30s, and right there is your apothem. That 10, which is the base edge length, splits into a pair of 5s. Okay, so working through here, we wanted the perimeter of the base. Well, that's this calculation here. The perimeter is 6 times 10 is 60. And the next line is just talk about the measure of the central angle. We've already done that. Well, the apothem is really easy to get here. It's going to be 5 root 3. And that's using your long equals short root 3 on your 30, 60, 90s. And that would be the apothem is just 5 root 3. You could also use trig on that if you wanted to. If you did, you'd have the tangent of 30 is 5 over A. That makes A 5 over tan 30. 30. Either way is fine to get the apothem. The area of the base then, which is the next thing being asked on number 16, the calculation is 1/2 PA. So the area of the base is 1/2 of the perimeter that we already figured out to be 60 times, I wrote 5 root 3, but either version of your apothem would be fine. And either way, you get 259.8 when you take it to a decimal. Okay, your next problem sort of takes away all the previous information, and it gives us that the lateral area is 180. So the lateral area, remember, is the formula 1/2 PL, where P is the perimeter of the base and L is the slant height. So that would mean that 180, that's the lateral area given, is 1/2 the perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height, which we know is 10. Okay, well, I'll just scribble this part out and we'll write it fresh. That means that if we do a little solving, we'll find the perimeter is 36. And if the perimeter is 36 and it has 6 sides, each side would be 36 divided by 6, would be 6 for our answer here. And that was a 60. I didn't mark that in earlier. Finally, on number 18, you are given the area of the hexagon.